Hello. In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating Reva Solutions' integration between SharePoint and intelligent viewing. Let's begin. First, we're going to open a single document with intelligent viewing. We'll go ahead, click on the Actions menu, and select Open with iView. This will open intelligent viewing in a separate tab. As you can see, the document is loaded. We have access to the features in the intelligent viewing sidebar, such as markups, details, search results associated with markups. From the list of markups, we can attach shapes, sketches, text, annotation features, as well as redactions. Let's redact a section of this contract. As you can see, the system has added the redaction. We can give it a title, and attach comments. If we save these markup changes and switch back to SharePoint, giving the page a refresh, we'll see that a new icon appears beside the document indicating that there are markups applied to it. We can also save the changes to the PDF itself in SharePoint. This we do by publishing it. Make sure to include the markups. And we're presented with a few publishing options. We can save it as a new file to SharePoint, add it as a new version, or download the file to the browser. Let's first send it back to SharePoint as a new file. We'll see the redacted version of the file is here, and we can open it up in the internal preview and see the redactions applied. We can also view a preview of this new document in intelligent viewing using the View File icon. As mentioned earlier, we can publish our changes as a new version in SharePoint as well. If we go check the version history of the document now, we'll see that a new version was just added. And if we view this version, we'll see that the redactions are applied to the PDF itself. We can also open multiple documents using Intelligent Viewer Binder View. If we go ahead and click Open with IV here, you'll see that both documents were opened. We can scroll through the pages of both documents either using the Pages menu on the left side, or if we go to the top, we can select and navigate between the documents and their various pages using this drop-down. Of course, the annotation options are also available on each document. We can go ahead and attach additional markups to this business application. Go ahead and save those. You'll see now that there's annotation icons for both of those two documents. In addition to comparing PDF files, we can also compare engineering drawings, DWG files. We'll open that up with the Compare Docs action item. As you can see, we're presented with a side-by-side view of each document. We can show the right document only, the left document only. We can overlay both documents on top of each other and adjust the opacity, favoring either the left or the right document. You can also highlight the differences of the two drawings and adjust these opacities as well. Of course, we can also compare PDF documents. We'll select two of those and open them as well with the Compare Docs ribbon item. In this view, we're presented with the text contents of the left and the right document, with those differences between the two being highlighted. We can also compare two versions of the same document with intelligent viewing. If we select one, open the Action menu and click Compare, we select at least two versions of the document to compare. Go ahead and open that up. As you can see, it now highlights the differences between the two versions of the document, the redacted document on the left and the unredacted document on the right. We can also use Intelligent Viewer to preview documents via the expanded search. If we hover over a document, we'll be presented with the Intelligent Viewer preview. That's all for the demo. Thanks for watching.